In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more boxes to Smartart in PowerPoint. Whether you're organizing a visual workflow, displaying a family tree, or structuring a simple hierarchy, Smartart is a terrific PowerPoint tool that allows you to create professional looking graphics with ease. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to take. To start off, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure that it's the version you typically use so you can comfortably navigate through the steps. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and access your PowerPoint presentation where you want to make your changes. If you haven't already created a presentation, you can start a new one and save it immediately to ensure none of your work gets lost. When you have your presentation open, look towards the top of the interface and find the Insert tab. It's part of the main toolbar. Click on this Insert tab, which will show you a variety of options for things you can add to your slide, ranging from text boxes to charts. The option we're interested in is Smartart. Click on Smartart to begin. Now once you've clicked on Smartart, you'll see a range of pre-designed graphical options appear. Browse through these options and select the Smartart that best suits your needs. You can choose from lists, processes, cycles, hierarchies, and more. Select the one that fits your presentation and it will be inserted into your slide. After your chosen Smartart has been added to the slide, the Design tab automatically becomes active. This is where you can customize your Smartart to match your presentation's design standards. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the toolbar in the Design tab. Here you'll find a button labeled Add Shape. Click on this Add Shape drop-down menu to reveal more options. Now within the Add Shape drop-down, you'll have a few different positional options for adding new boxes. If you want to add another box to your Smartart diagram, click Add Shape After. This will add a new box to your diagram, aligned in the same order as the existing boxes. If you need to add more boxes, repeat these steps as necessary. You might find it helpful to experiment with the different orientations and positions, ensuring that the new boxes fit nicely into your desired structure. And there you have it. With these few steps, you can easily add more boxes to your Smartart design, allowing for a greater depth of information and enhancing the visual impact of your presentation. Remember, the key here is to maintain a balance between adding details and keeping your visuals clear and easy to understand. As you practice, you'll find yourself getting more creative and efficient with your Smartart presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy presenting!